हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. This writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed by the petitioner with the following prayer para first. Issue a writ order or direction in the nature of certiorari quashing the impugned orders dated 3/1/2019 and 9/5/2019 passed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 full stop para second. Issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus restraining the respondents from recovering the amount as mentioned in the impugned orders dated 3/1/2019 and 9/5/2019 passed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 full stop para third. Issue a writ order or direction in the nature of writs as this honorable court may deem fit and proper to meet ends of justice full stop para fourth. Award the cost of the writ petition to the petitioner full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was initially appointed on the post of Assistant Soil Conservation Inspector in Agriculture Department of the State Government under the order dated 26/11/1982 in the pay scale of rupees 400-615 and joined his post on 9/12/1982 full stop. Since then he was performing his duties and never been subjected to any disciplinary proceedings or was awarded any punishment by the department full stop by virtue of sincere and devoted duties. The petitioner was promoted from time to time and was promoted on the post of Senior Technical Assistant Group B, and in pursuance thereof he joined on the said promoted post on 30/3/2016 in the office of District Plant Protection Officer Gonda, and thereafter he was transferred to District Sant Kabir Nagar on 1/9/2017 full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the petitioner was holding class 3rd post in the agriculture department and his salary was voluntarily fixed by the competent departmental authorities from time to time, in which the petitioner had no role full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the petitioner is now been retired from service on 31/12/2019. Just before the retirement, the petitioner was served with orders dated 3/1/2019 and 9/5/2019 by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 by which they have directed to recover an amount of rupees 4,75,000 from the salary of the petitioner on account of alleged wrong fixation of salary and paid in lieu thereof with effect from 2/6/2007 to December 2018 full stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner further argued that the fixation of salary is the duty of the state authorities and there is no role of the petitioner nor the petitioner played any fraud or suppression of material fact while the salary of the petitioner was fixed, and if any excess payment in lieu thereof has been paid is deemed to the fault of the state authorities and the action of the state authorities in recovering the said amount from the salary of the petitioner is arbitrary, illegal and against the principles of natural justice full stop para. Learned standing counsel in counter opposed the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and submitted that the excess payment made to the petitioner was to be recovered in accordance with law full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का है, ठीक है, 125 की स्पीड का, और एक जगह आया है 4,75,011 रुपीज़, ठीक है, इसको हमने 2011 कर दिया, सॉरी उसके लिए मिस्टेक हो गई। ओके, तो चलिए 2 मिनट बाद शुरू करते हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। ओके, जो भी आप लोग प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर कर दीजिएगा, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा ताकि टाइम टू टाइम डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें आपको। और कमेंट्स भी अपने अच्छे बुरे बता दीजिएगा, जो भी ज़रूरी कमेंट्स हों, क्योंकि कमेंट्स आप दोगे तो पता चलेगा कि हाँ आप लोग लिख रहे हो, मतलब कुछ हमें चेंजेस करने हैं। और दूसरी चीज़ क्या कहते हैं कि अगर लाइक कर दोगे आप लोग, लाइक शेयर कर दोगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा ना, कि मतलब काम हमारा पसंद आ रहा है। अब ऐसे आप अंधे तीर तक चलाते रहो तो कुछ पता नहीं चलता है कि यूट्यूब की वीडियोस का कोई फ़ायदा हो रहा है कि नहीं, आप लोग चाहते हैं कि नहीं। तो सीरीज़ वाइज हम निकालेंगे, जैसे जैसे एग्ज़ाम्स आएंगे, चाहे 80 की स्पीड का हो चाहे किसी भी स्पीड का हो, हम उसके डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम देंगे ताकि आपको तैयारी करने में भी आसान हो और हमें रिकॉर्ड करके देने में भी आसान हो। ओके, तो चलिए 30 सेकंड के बाद जो है क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। ओके, तैयार हो जाइए आप सब लोग। चलिए 10 सेकंड बाद डिक्टेशन शुरू। Start. This is an appeal against acquittal filed by the victim under proviso to section 372 of CRPC, challenging the judgment and order dated 13/1/2014 passed by the additional sessions judge, first Dehradun, in session trial number 96 of 2013, whereby the accused slash respondent number 2 has been acquitted of the charges under sections 323, 504, 506, 376 and 417 IPC full stop para, leave granted full stop para. The victim slash appellant before this court lodged a first information report on 15/12/2012 at 3:30 p.m. at PS Kotwali City, Dehradun, alleging rape at the hands of the accused, who is opposite party number 2 before this court, full stop. In the FIR, it was stated that the applicant is a widow having a 11 years old boy child, and she is presently engaged in the share market business, full stop. Through social media, she came in touch with the accused, who at the relevant time was residing in Dubai, full stop. In May 2011, the accused came from Dubai to Dehradun, and then the two met on more than one occasion, full stop. The accused expressed his desire to work in the share market business as he was doing the same work in Dubai, full stop. For this, however, he sought the help of the victim, who was doing the same work in Dehradun, full stop. In December 2011, the accused finally came to India to settle down in Dehradun and opened an account in the office of the victim slash appellant, and the two started working together, full stop. Since they were working together, they came close to each other, and the accused very soon thereafter proposed marriage, which was accepted by her, full stop. Then the accused took her to Tapkeshwar temple, where he applied sindoor on her forehead, apparently showing his commitment for the marriage, full stop. He then disclosed that as his parents are conservative in their outlook and it will take some time to bring them on the same page, but assured the prosecutrix that he would do that very soon, full stop. The accused also disclosed that he was earlier married, but the marriage is now dissolved through a divorce decree by the court, full stop. He explained that just like his earlier marriage, which too was an intercaste marriage, his parents had agreed, he sees no reason why they will not agree again, full stop. The accused further said that they will stay together at Mohit Vihar, Dehradun after marriage, full stop. The two then stayed in a hotel near Tapkeshwar temple, where they had physical relations for the first time, full stop. Thereafter, they went to several other places together where they stayed just as husband and wife, full stop. For all practical purposes, the accused treated her as his wife and they continued to have physical relationship on these occasions, full stop. The victim further states in the FIR that during this period all the travelling and hotel expenses were borne by her, and by this time she had spent more than rupees 2 lakhs on the accused, full stop. After a few days, when she confronted the accused as to why he is not marrying her, she was reassured by him that it will happen sooner than she thinks and she need not worry on this account, full stop. Over.